start, but Marcus Phelps is out in front at the moment.
How'd you get this car? You bought it? Number 2. Hey, look at all the frost on the tough blocks. It's a cold one this morning. 5 a.m. press again. We had a lot of success last year in Alabama. Made my first main event, so yeah, hoping to come in with the same energy and repeat that. You know, this weekend the Triple Crown, so it's a little tougher, but top 18 makes it straight to the heats, and then the rest go to the LCQ. So
there's no heats.
Straight to the main event.
Oh, 3 mains though.
Those are main events.
Yeah, but like,
look at it, has no idea what he's talking about. Do not listen to that guy.
What time does race day live start at?
Race day live starts at 2:30.
Wrong. 11.
Central.
Central.
Yeah. Is it really?
Central. It's really 11.
No way.
Where can you buy your tickets at? Where can you buy your tickets at?
Supercrosslive.com.
Yes.
Yeah, I got you.
And what time is the night show at?
The night show starts sometime tomorrow when we go.
6.
Cut
6.
that. What?
6.
Never seen a press day track this good. Ever. And I've done 2 in my whole life. And this one looks good.
What do you like about it? What looks so good about it?
It's actually some of it's like dirt we train on, so.
Yeah, it's like, so essentially like, when we do press, we're so dang early in the morning that they don't even have time to hit it with a skiddy. It's all dozer tracks. So it kind of makes it hard to get the feel of the transitions. It's like, it'd be like putting your shoe on with an extra sock on. It feels like it's a little bit not right. Like, does that make sense?
Yeah.
Because like when it's skiddied, it's like actual terrain that we're gonna be riding on. If that makes sense. I don't know.
Yep.
But it's all smooth. Should be packed in somewhat good, so we're not gonna be breaking it in for the first 20 minutes, you know? So it should be good. I'm stoked on it. It looks good. We might actually benefit from this one here.
not doing that. Like, I don't know if you, I mean, you could see it like when you're right behind Gage. Gage wasn't doing it, and you were catching it. You're like right on it. It's crazy.
And also this inside is unreal.
Quick, yeah. What about here? Because like I think if you can go, I mean, I think the power drive is probably good. But you need to go inside at least one time.
No, yeah. And I think right now it's like a little notchy, like a little.
Yeah.
Like,
it'll be even worse though. Right?
Yeah, but they'll probably be sending like grab on. Yeah.
Let's try. You ready for me?
Yeah.
First practice, free practice. Let's get it.
going inside. You were 5'6". Were you going inside? It was to the face. What? After going with.
No, it's outside.
You going to the outside?
Yeah. What was that?
Sector 3, you were 8'9". No, 17,000.
Where's this?
I think it's the rhythm.
Because it's the rhythm opposite, dude.
Sector 3 is the full rhythm.
Where?
Exactly.
How much such a beast over that thing?
Sector 9.
I had the
You
quickest.
won Sector 9 too, 5'7".
Where's that?
From there to the finish. What was that?
2 P1s in 2 sectors, baby.
How has the track changed between press day yesterday, track walk to like what you thought it was going to be versus what it is?
Yesterday was a lot drier. Track was, I felt a lot more compact. You know, today they put a lot more water down in the morning. It was actually a little muddy.
It's a lot more ruddy.
Yeah.
There's some rocks out there. It's edgy. The rhythms are ruddy. They kind of have like
the corners are very bumpy. Yeah. The rats are.
This next one's where don't make it or break it because they're doing track prep and times don't come.
See the now
Think
and
it'll
ever.
get hard and ruddy with the clay, or
I think it's gonna harden up and the rut's gonna get hard.
Yeah.
Especially with the sun out.
For the second,
Yeah.
maybe not the
it's
first.
gonna bake out there?
Be baked. Crusty.
What were you overall?
Sand's gonna be a little weird, but they gotta put something inside of it.
I got like that little symbol, but I don't think it's actually helping set.
It was in class ago, people was like, you ever go outside? They're like, not unless I change it.
Qualifying, let's go, baby.
Yeah, we gotta go that way.
The thing is, that right side is probably going to be good because everyone's going to run the ball. So if you can kind of slip in a little.
So yeah, then the 2-3-2 will be set you up the best. You kind of be a little bit slower in the corner and then you'll walk.
I wonder, that 3, you're just going to have to downside that first double perfect in settings then. Got it?
Yeah.
Only 4 will make the night. Who will it be?
Marcus Phelps is out in front at the moment. Let's go back and have a look at that Jack Chambers incident. Jack, go! And then he falls. Race leader's down. Phelps has dropped it.
Wow.
Bottom box.
Yeah, that was a really tough crash in event. And then the leader right here, he goes on that on and off. And as he clips that rear tire, it throws his weight forward. Feet come off the pegs. Or right feet did.
Great to see all the fans here today. It's been an absolutely epic day as far as Mother Nature goes.